Now these are the items you're going to need. Some paracord, I got some string for demonstration, and a straw, and of course about 10 inches of paracord. You might not need it to be this long, but this is for demonstration purposes. Once you make it, you'll figure out how much cord you need from there on. What you're gonna do is cut both ends off about a 10-inch piece of paracord, and we're gonna pull the inside strings out of this paracord. Now cut you about a 2-inch piece off your straw. This is what we're going to use for our guide when we loop our string back through. And you'll see what I'm talking about here in a moment. Now, depending on how big you want your slip knot stopper to be, there's multiple strings inside of these strings here too. I'm going to go ahead and take one out because my stopper for the slip bobber is for crappie fishing. Now we're going to wrap our string around both straws. Make sure you got one end of your string pointing in the direction that you're going to wrap in. We're going to give it about 5 to 6 wraps. And as I wrap, I'm going towards the right, the direction the string is pointing. Now here's where this guide come into play. This just makes it a lot easier to weave your string back through your wraps. Now we getting ready to take the slack out of our string as we pull on both ends in opposite direction. We can also get rid of our guide straw here too. Now don't put this too tight because you won't be able to slip it off. You want to put your string in there before we make it too tight. You'll see what I mean. Go ahead and cut the straw the length that you want it. And this is really ready to be used, but I'm going to go ahead and cut a lot of this excess material off of here. All right, now let me show y'all that it worked. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit. There it is right there. And you can clean it up a little bit more if you want, but this is ready to work. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.